Hi people, and I'm back cooking again, and today I'm going to have a go at making chicken burgers. But as you can see, I've got everything done and sorted, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack this egg. Well, on this one I'm going to put breadcrumbs in this one. Oh, there's a bloody egg here. An egg here. I must have put that in earlier and I forgot all about it. I get many of them to pound here. So no.
No.
Right then, so I'm going to get another container and crack the egg in it. Right, now I'm going to break the egg. It's all over. Oh, why is the bin closed? That's it. Get that little mix. And it's said to get some chicken breast. Will that rest there? Yeah, it says to get some chicken breast. So what I've done is, I can't know if you can see, yeah, I bought some. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get some scissors. And I'm going to cut it up so I can make them into burgers. Can't get through to this, we're not having burgers. Oh, we are. Get through. Oh! Not as strong as I used to be. Right, so that's off. Now I'm going to get some scissors, the ones that come first to hand, which are... I don't know where my surgical scissors are, but I did do a lot of cutting up last night, so... And before you asked me, it wasn't a person. So, I'm not going to put no seasoning in the breadcrumbs. I'm going to put some salt, pepper, and I'm going to put a few chives in to give it that greenery colour. I'll give that a mix. I might need that other egg. Do you refresh my other egg, please? I'm sorry. What's it be? So I'll keep mixing that. Thank you. So I'll crack that. Mix that again. And like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the chicken up into the
bowl.
Yes, that's it. Actually, I was looking for the word egg. And then I'm going to put some in. Yeah. Cut some, what would you say, a quarter. Cut them in a quarter. I don't wash chicken because I've been told it can cause E. coli and I'm not into that. Right, well, you never know, like, you never know. So I'm not going to say what he's just said. Right, right. Cover that in chicken. I think I should have cut it thinner. I think I could do that. So, I'll cut it a bit thinner so it can all gather together and I can dip it in the breadcrumbs. I haven't even got the pan on. That one. Which ring? This one? Mm-hmm. Am I at the right one? Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. I think I've just knocked your camera flying. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this because I don't think it's going to stick together somehow. Why is it not going to stick together? No. I'll make small ones then. That's all I can think. It's a small one. They're not burgers, but a bit like chicken nuggets, but I'll flatten them out a bit. So not bad, is it? You know, starting to look a bit like. I don't think I should have cut some extra, but like that. Not a flat one. I'm going to take one of these. Cut it just in half. Give effect of what it should be like. And a bigger burger, that's it. Yes, it doesn't look like a burger like your perfect round ones, but it's similar. Right, I've decided to do some flat chips with ours. If you don't know what a flat chip is, throw you rolls. That's what a flat chip is. Right, so what I'm going to do is now. Oh, they're turning out, they're nicely done. So what I'm going to do is, I've got one that's been doing quite a bit. That one, oh, it's a bit burnt, but you don't mind it a bit burnt, do you? So what I'm going to do is, Lee's going to do the taste test. If I can get one out, I will. I'll do the taste test. He'll do the taste test, I mean. Right, here we are. Right, Lee's comes to the taste test. It's going to be hot because it's just come out of the pan. Is it not done?
Done.
Oh.
Very hot. You can see why.
Ah, yeah.
Actually, it tastes like a bit like a chicken burger.
It's not potato. Don't tell anyone, but it's potato.
Right. So, well, it tastes like a chicken burger, and that's it.
Very good. I hope that gave you a rough idea how to do chicken burgers. I'm going to say these just bloody said it, well, I'll forget it. If you like what you see, please keep viewing me. What are you doing? Look, just in the camera. Yes. Right, you put me off now. If you like what you see, please keep viewing me. If you want to give me a big old thumbs up, thumbs up. Lee, if you want to give me a big thumbs up, or thumbs down, not bothered. And if you want to leave a comment, please feel free. The more the merrier. What are you doing, Aeroplane? And if you haven't subscribed, or you know someone who hasn't subscribed, get them subscribing, get yourself subscribing, get everybody subscribing. Thank you. Bye.